intelligent remote control to easily control the device. Remote control equipment has become an important tool to improve production efficiency and optimize management processes. Stardust technology uses remote control to control production equipment, process flow, energy consumption, etc. Perform real-time monitoring and control. Stardust technology uses remote control to realize real-time collection, analysis and optimization of production data, create an efficient, intelligent and sustainable enterprise production and operation system.